to turn on or turn off Amber Threads wireless emergency alerts in Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus or S22 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Select notifications, and then scroll the notification screen. Tap advanced settings. Scroll down advanced settings screen. Tap wireless emergency alerts. And then on Amber alerts, tap switch until blue to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. If you turn on, chill abduction emergency bulletins. Tap switch until blue to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.